Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. My channel is a do-it-yourself channel, and today we're going to talk about Las Vegas gardening tips and tricks. So I know how it is. You just move into your property and you want to get started with your backyard, get trees and plants back there. And it's fall right now, so the best time to plant a tree in Las Vegas is in the fall. So I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how to get down and dirty and dig a hole and plant your trees and plants, guys. But I also want to give you a little bit of knowledge on why I created this video. So I remember I went on a vacation for like a week, and I did not know my irrigation had shut off and was broken. And I just bought thousands of dollars worth of trees and plants. And this was during the summertime, and I came back home and my trees were roasted, guys. Totally roasted. And thank God I had a warranty on my trees and plants to get them replaced. But I knew how important it was. I was like, wow, you know, the rest of Las Vegas needs to know about this. What if they had bought thousands of dollars worth of trees and came back and their trees were a done deal? So I made this video, and I'm gonna continue to make videos like this. But also you need to learn how to plant a tree or plant in your backyard. And there's a simple strategy. I'm gonna show you what tools you need so it's not back-breaking for you guys. So let's get started with this video. I'm gonna give you a little bit of knowledge, okay, guys? So guys, now it's fall, guys. So the Water District Authority, as of November 1st through February 28th, have just mandated a one-day irrigation for your plants and trees once a week, guys. So just keep that in mind. So you need to also know that a lot of plants and trees go dormant, which means they don't need water at all. So whatever trees or plants that you're going to purchase, or maybe you already have them in your backyard, like succulents and cactuses, go dormant. So if you continue to water those cactuses and succulents, they'll turn into mush, guys, because they'll be real soggy and they'll be dead. So succulents and cactuses go dormant. Always remember that. And there are also other plants that you may have in your backyard that go dormant, which means they don't need water at all to survive. So of course, evergreens like a Japanese blueberry tree in your backyard is gonna need that watering once a week. And then also keep in mind, there's also drought tolerant plants that just don't need water that much. They don't go dormant, but they just don't need that much as water. So always keep in mind, guys. So if your backyard was thriving during the summertime, like my watering irrigation, I had set for 1 hour. So whatever was thriving during the summertime and springtime, you cut it in half, right? So if your water was on for a whole hour, I cut my watering down to 30 minutes, 1/2. Okay, guys? If they weren't thriving, check out my other videos. I have some other good videos to show you on how to water. But just keep in mind, as of November 1st, it's 1 watering per week, guys. So I'm gonna show you the tools on how to get started with your backyard. I truly believe here in Las Vegas, you'll see that a lot of people, they don't do much to their backyards because they're probably like me, you know, they went on vacation, planted some plants and trees, and they all died. But it's all knowledge, guys. It's all educational. Not everyone knows all this. That's why I created this video, because I want your backyard to thrive. That's the whole purpose of life. You know, you get a home of your dreams, and then you got to get started with your backyard. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you the tools to get started. Even if you're not doing it yourself, say you're gonna hire somebody, don't make it hard for them. Get them the tools. They may not even know this knowledge. Get them the tools so they can plant those trees and plants faster, guys, and it's less backbreaking. So I'll show you what you are back here. So I use this bonsai tree for my thumbnail. Pretty cool. It's a real tree, bonsai tree. And I got that at Home Depot. I'm a military veteran, so I got a military discount on that. I had to get it. But birds of paradise. Oh, this is a good tree. I mean, good plant to get that lasts all year round. So we're gonna get started digging holes in your backyard, planting trees. So what you need is a weighted bar. So as you see, this is a 16-pound weighted bar. You're not gonna use a shovel to dig holes no more. It's too difficult. So with the weight of this, to dig holes is much easier. But what is better is this demolition hammer with the shovel, guys. Don't be intimidated by this demolition hammer. Get it. It's low cost. I think I only paid like 150 bucks for this. And it makes everything so easy, guys. Don't be intimidated by it. That's how I was able to plant these trees and plants. So easy, guys. And it comes with 3 different parts. The shovel and then a pick like this. That's my #1 tip. And then also, it's winter time, so you need to give your plants some food. I'll show you exactly what you need. So guys, I highly recommend you get a fertilizer for the fall and winter. There's this fertilizer that I talk about in my other videos. It's called Alaska fish fertilizer. You just put it in a container like this, fill it up, and you're gonna water your trees and plants and make your roots stronger so they can last during the fall and winter. You have to do this because it's gonna get cold, right? It gets 33 degrees here in Las Vegas, and you want to make your plants and trees evergreen, right? So basically, you just put the fertilizer in there. If you don't have irrigation in your backyard, I have other videos that share with you on how to put a irrigation timer on your hose. And I have landscaping hosing that goes underneath my patio here and just has one straight line that goes all the way to the trees and plants. And it's a very cheap, inexpensive way to water your plants and trees for less than 150 bucks. So check out my other videos, guys. So guys, I was gonna show you that fertilizer that I highly recommend, but I can't find it somewhere around here. It's called Alaska fish fertilizer. Highly recommend you use that for your plants and trees so they can last all year round and last during the cold temperatures and hot temperatures. It's not what if, you need it. You absolutely need it. If you're gonna go to Moon Nursery and get your plants and trees that have something called moon juice, which is very good, but it's very expensive. I think you get more bang for your buck using the Alaska fish fertilizer. You get it from Home Depot or Lowe's, so make sure you guys get it. It's very cheap. So guys, thank you for stopping by and checking out my video, but my channel is a do-it-yourself channel, not only just about gardening. I got some tips and tricks for all around the house, guys, some things that you guys never even heard of. Hopefully I was a help to you guys, and I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye.